Hi guys! Happy Sunday to all! How are you today guys? I hope you all be okay and please guys support my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and watch my video. For today's video guys is we're going to church together with my two kids. Don't forget to pray and thanks God every day guys because God is good. We are nothing here together without Him. Diba? Late na baka tara na?
Ma, kun airplane ma, kun airplane.
Plane?
Oh, airplane.
Anyway guys, on the way.
Airplane.
On the way to church.
Kun airplane ma.
See, smile. Smile, baby. Smile there. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Ina ba? Hi, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ina, please watch my video. Na, bye-bye.
Bye.
Huh? Faster. Look at the view. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Finish na sila pag-harvest sa rice field. Slowly. Slowly.
Silly.
Pagpuli-puli ni. Di ham tabi. Nagpractice
Oo,
mo tabi.
practice.
Ba ako maadto kay ning lamay ko. Ning lamay ko.
Sa'yo pa man dyan mo man ang kuhan.